Women who love beauty all know the importance of collagen in the skin. This, of course, goes without saying. Experts talk about it every day, and ads are done every day. Even if you don't study it, you already know. But, how many people know the importance of collagen in bones? To fight osteoporosis, many people constantly take calcium supplements. This is correct. But have you supplemented with collagen? Collagen is also a type of protein. It is the most abundant structural protein in animal bodies and the most common protein in the human body. It accounts for about 1/3 of the total protein content in the human body and 25% of dry body weight. The human body needs a basic framework to construct tissues and cells. So, collagen is equivalent to the framework inside. Components, which is equivalent to the rebar in our houses. To be precise, it is more like steel cables. It is formed by many tiny fibers combining to form thicker fibers. In our skin, tendons, bones, and cartilage, collagen is abundant. Collagen not only provides support to tissues and cells, but also participates in many processes such as the immune response and tissue repair in the human body. Collagen in the human body is mainly produced by fibroblasts. It is a type of connective tissue cell. However, as people age, the collagen they produce becomes fragmented and more loose. The function of fibroblasts also gradually declines. The production of collagen decreases year by year. During this process, there is also a key structural protein called elastin, which will continuously decrease. Together, they lead to the problems of loose skin and increased wrinkles. For human joints, they also become more prone to wear and tear, increasing the risk of osteoarthritis. Tendons and ligaments also become more susceptible to damage, taking longer to repair after injury. Bones also lose elasticity, leading to increased brittleness, making fractures more likely, leading to osteoporosis. Although collagen loss and damage with age is inevitable, certain dietary and lifestyle factors can also exacerbate this process. For example, we all know smoking degrades collagen and leads to skin aging, wrinkles, loss of elasticity, etc. Excessive alcohol consumption has also been proven to accelerate skin aging by reducing collagen production and disrupting skin repair mechanisms. In addition, as I mentioned earlier, high-sugar diets and ultra-processed foods lead to glycation, causing premature aging. The glycation process also reduces collagen renewal and interferes with the interaction between collagen and surrounding cells and proteins. Another problem is excessive sun exposure. Excessive UV exposure can also increase collagen aging and reduce collagen production. But this shouldn't be a reason to avoid the sun. Because the sun not only helps the body synthesize vitamin D, it also has many immeasurable effects on our immune system and endocrine system. If you notice issues related to collagen reduction in your body, you should listen carefully to what I am about to say. First, if your body doesn't have metabolic issues or liver and kidney function damage, it is very important to consume enough protein. Because collagen is mainly composed of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. When you eat chicken, duck, fish, beef, pork, legumes, and eggs, your body breaks down these proteins into corresponding amino acids. Among these are glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Your body's cells recombine them into collagen. So if the raw materials are sufficient, the body has a chance to synthesize more collagen. Secondly, increase the amount of collagen-rich foods in your diet. While high-protein foods like pork, chicken, fish, and nuts provide the amino acid raw materials needed for collagen production, the quantity and ratio are hard to control. If you eat foods rich in collagen, you can get the correct proportions of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Since collagen is mainly concentrated in the skin, bones, and other connective tissues rather than muscles, when eating animals, don't miss these important parts. Many people nowadays are very particular when eating animals. They discard fish skin when eating fish because they think it's dirty. They also discard chicken skin when eating chicken because they think it's yellow, oily, and disgusting. You don't know that what you are throwing away is very important nutrients and very tasty food. So remember, animal skins are excellent sources of collagen. In addition, chicken feet, pig trotters, beef tendon, cartilage, and tendons are all packed with collagen. I think these should be welcomed. Another food is sausages. The casing of sausages is also rich in collagen. Third is bone broth. In addition to containing some fat, it also contains a large amount of collagen. If you have gallstones or poor fat digestion, bone broth may be a small problem for you. But this doesn't mean bone broth is bad. In my own home, bone broth is made from cheap beef bones, especially large joint bones, which still have many tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Add a few tablespoons of vinegar while simmering to slowly release the collagen from the bones. Fourth, we must pay attention to glycine. Among the amino acids needed to produce collagen, glycine is the most important. It is not only the most common amino acid in collagen molecules but also an amino acid that cannot be optimally obtained in the blood. It has been proven that glycine is the most important substance limiting collagen synthesis. Increasing glycine levels has always been the most effective way to promote collagen production. Studies have found that humans and all large animals actually have long-term glycine deficiencies, so all animals larger than squirrels cannot produce enough collagen as they age. This is due to evolutionary bottlenecks. This means glycine synthesis is limited. Studies have also found that, removing dietary glycine and glycine synthesized in the body, adults need an additional 5 to 10 grams of glycine daily to meet the body's metabolic needs for collagen production. Some calculations show that 10 grams of glycine per day should increase collagen production by 200%, which means the collagen synthesis rate triples. This is so far the most effective way to increase collagen production. But if you really want to use large doses of glycine supplements, make sure to do so under professional guidance. In addition to increasing collagen production, glycine can bring many other benefits to the human body. It can also lower postprandial blood sugar peaks by increasing insulin secretion. Additionally, glycine has been shown to directly reduce glycation, reduce related inflammation and oxidative stress. In animal experiments, studies have observed that feeding glycine to rats has protective effects on the aorta and heart function and can counteract cataract formation by preventing glycation of lens proteins in the eyes. Fifth is vitamin C. One cannot help but marvel at the many roles of vitamin C. For collagen synthesis, vitamin C is critically important. It not only participates in the process of collagen fiber synthesis but also directly stimulates collagen production. In fact, vitamin C may control the expression of 3 different procollagen genes. Therefore, every time you consume vitamin C, it actually promotes collagen synthesis in the body. This is why many collagen skincare products and oral solutions add a lot of vitamin C. Although supplementing with high doses of vitamin C is non-toxic, most people find if they take too large a dose, they may experience stomach discomfort or diarrhea. Sixth is gelatin. It is a cooked form of animal collagen. It is a cooking ingredient that is much cheaper than collagen supplements. Many of the snacks we eat contain gelatin, such as jelly, but I do not recommend supplementing gelatin through snacks because snacks may also contain other ingredients that I personally believe are unhealthy. Many health product manufacturers mix gelatin with vitamin C for sale, and this may also add some glycine. For such a product, I personally believe it is beneficial for the body to synthesize collagen. Studies have found that after taking 15 grams of gelatin with vitamin C, the levels of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline in the participants' blood increased, peaking 1 hour after taking the supplement. The markers of collagen synthesis in their bodies also doubled. This effect lasted for several days. The 7th technique for increasing collagen is not food, but red light. Studies have found that when human skin is exposed to red light from the sun or artificial red light sources, wrinkles in the skin improve. This is because red light radiation may stimulate fibroblasts to increase the content of collagen and elastin. This has a beneficial effect on reducing skin wrinkles. It may also slow down and reverse photoaging of the skin. The 8th is to reduce refined carbohydrates and sugar consumption. Since collagen is a long-term protein, its turnover rate is low, and it renews slowly, making it susceptible to damage over time. One problem is glucose. Glucose molecules can react with collagen to create cross-links between fibers, changing their mechanical properties and making collagen harder to replace. This process is called glycation. The higher the blood sugar levels, the more serious this process becomes. And this process is irreversible, accumulating throughout life. Glycated collagen plays a central role in many eye diseases, such as age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and cataracts. It also causes long-term damage to kidney tissues and the cardiovascular system. In diabetic patients, due to high blood sugar, these changes occur more quickly. They are one of the main causes of diabetic complications and premature death. In addition, controlling excessive smoking and drinking also helps your body's collagen work in a healthy state for a longer time. I hope today's content can be helpful to you. See you next time.